today we are going to make some applesauce. Every year in the fall we go to the mountains and we pick apples. This year we just got a bit too many, and so we decided to make some delicious applesauce that we can use throughout the year. We're gonna peel these apples and then we're gonna core them, and we will add a little bit of cinnamon to them, a little sugar, a pinch of salt, and some lemon juice, and the lemon juice will keep them from oxidizing. Here we go. As you can see, they're already starting to oxidize just a little bit, so we're immediately gonna put the juice of one lemon in there. So you simply place this inside, and then here comes the juice of the lemon. We're already gonna toss these, and we'll continue peeling the apples and putting them right in there. The mason jars are boiling and they're gonna be nicely sterilized, so we'll be able to preserve that applesauce in them. We're almost done. I'm gonna peel these as well, and I almost forgot to tell you that we also will need to add a little bit of water to the sauce, the applesauce, to the apples. And remember to put all these peels in your compost pile. I will show you the big container already filled with them. It sure would be a big waste if we didn't put these to good use, but I want to show you something. Look at what we found. The little seeds right here sprouting. Who knows if it would grow? Let's check and see inside the burning chamber. We have a nice little fire going inside there. And above on the cooking surface, we have our cast iron pot. Our apples are going in. To the apples, we'll add the sugar. We'll add a little pinch of salt, as well as some cinnamon. And now, we will also add the water. Now that everything has been stirred up, we'll close the lid and let the oven do its magic. There is just absolutely nothing like the aroma of cooked apples with cinnamon. Look at there, they're squishing down really easily. And they're ready to be placed in the jars. I think this is about it. We kind of like it chunky. I don't know how you like it, but we like it just about like this. The jars have been sterilized. And now we're going to take them out, set them on the counter. It is time to put our sauce into the jars. And we have sterilized all the jars and the lids. And now we'll be able to place it right here in these piping hot jars. But we don't want to fill it all the way. Leave about ½ an inch empty. Our first jar is ready. And then we're gonna can them. Let's go to the next one. And keep doing this until all the sauce is gone. It is time to put our jars back in. And once the water comes to a boil, we will allow them to boil for about 20 minutes. And that way they will be nicely sealed. And here are our jars, and I'm going to show you how beautiful this looks. It's still warm, barely warm, but they're nicely sealed now. And this one is the only one that we did not seal, so we could actually taste it. So I'm gonna pour some right in here. Ooh, nice and chunky, I love it. Let's see as to what it tastes like. Very good. Buon appetito.